The File menu in Google Sheets will give you quick access to a lot of clerical things. If you click on File, the very first option is Share. This is the same as the green Share button that we've already gone over. Below that, you can create a new spreadsheet, or you can open the templates that we looked at before as well. You can also quickly create a new Google Doc, slides, form, or drawing right from within your Google Sheet. Here you can also open a Sheets document that you already have in your Google Drive. You have the option to import a Google Sheet from your Drive, or you can make a copy of this document. You have a few different ways that you can download your spreadsheet. If you'd like to, you can download as an Excel document, an open document, a PDF, a zipped web page, a CSV file. A lot of times when you upload into another system, it'll ask you to upload the CSV. This is where you would do that. Or a tab-separated values spreadsheet. If you'd like to email as an attachment, you can click here and it'll give you the option to type in email addresses and write a message to whoever you would like. You can attach it as a PDF or as a Microsoft Excel document. Below that, you have the option to make your document available offline. This means if you lose your internet connection, you will still see this file in your Google Drive and you'll be able to make changes. Once you get an internet connection back, it'll automatically update any changes that you have made.